Change the fuel pump. First, remove the seats and the carpet. Then you can access the little door. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention you got to remove the center console. So remove the 5 seats and the carpet, then you can access the fuel door. Armada. It's pretty nasty. And it's all kinds of weird stains. And I think I might paint it or dye it. Okay, here's what it looks like after a little pressure washing. Got rid of the nasty coffee stains back here and in the center. It's probably pretty heavy now. And now let's here's how to access the fuel pump on the Armada. Basically, I took out the second row seat, depending on what kind of seat you have. Took out the second row seat. I took out the whole carpet just because I wanted to clean in here. But you don't need any actual tools other than a screwdriver. Just turn these in, quarter turn. It pops out. I took it out yesterday. You basically just beat down this clip here. Pop this thing out. And disconnect the 2 lines. This is actually the pressurized side. I had it running just before and I just popped it off. Just nothing really came out. And here's your electrical connector. And that's all it is. Take out the clip and pop it out. This is interesting. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like no gas in this tank. I mean, I think that's why I ran out of gas. Found the problem.
What's the problem?
There's no gas in the tank.
That one right there. Huh. You can see this.
Bones dry inside here. I've never seen a tank that empty. Can't believe it's actually running. Look at that, it's showing. It's not even to E yet. The light is on. There's like no gas in that tank. Yet it's running. Okay, I'm trying to test my gas gauge here. Just ran out of gas, looks like. And my gas gauge was working. So it says in the service manual it's supposed to be 80 ohms. So I got my meter connected up to pins 2 and 5. Got an empty tank. If I raise up, it's supposed to go down to 6 ohms when it's full. So if I raise it all the way up, it's supposed to be down to around 6.9. It's bouncing all over the place. It's supposed to be 6.9. It's just all over the place. There's half a tank, there's 60, 50, empty, 100, 76, it's supposed to be around 81, but it's in the 70s. So I'm moving the thing here. Oh wow, it actually got down to 7 there for a second. 40, 11. This resistor, this potentiometer is just flaky as it seems like it's flaky. It's just the resistance is varying wildly. But it's supposed to be a high number when it's empty. It's 120 now. I'm not touching anything. And then when it's, there's like 3/4 of a tank. It's like 50. Sometimes you just get like a flat spot on these things. 50, 60. They go really slow. It should slightly get lower. It's actually going up. Should get lower resistance, going all the way up. Okay, there's full. I'm still full, and I got like 8 ohms. And now it's just bouncing all around. full gauge is worse than the empty. I've got it solid at full and it's still bouncing around. Back to empty. It does go to a high number above 80. Oh well, let's see what the new pump does. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like now with the fuel pump replaced. I made a little door. Ta-da! Hopefully I'll never have to go in there again. And you see the carpet, I painted it or dyed it. That's because I got some new floor mats. So this is my new rubber floor mats I got, actually used. So I painted the carpet gray while I had the fuel pump out. I like it. I also got me a WeatherTech liner or the deal. And where is it? Where is it? There it is. Ah, Nissan. I need to cut a hole right there so I could see my Nissan logo. Getting ready for a big road trip.